everyone, this is Sabrina from Little Harimau, and this is Tiana. Today I'm going to show you how to measure her for leotard sewing. Okay, so first we need chest,
waist and hip and girth,
girth,
back waist,
and crotch. 6 measurements. Okay, so number 1 is chest measurement. So stand up, hands wide apart. Okay, get the thing here. Okay, hands down. Okay, not too tight, not too loose. Just correct measurements. This is 23.5 inches. Okay, this is chest. This is waist, somewhere around the belly button. Here, belly button level. Again, not too tight and not too loose. Just exact. So here, her waist is 20. The rest of it can see 20 and a half.
Yeah,
20 and a half.
1.
Hip is at the biggest part of the hip, at the bum. Put it down. Hands up. Like here. There. Okay, that's the hip. Tiana's measurement for this one is 25.2, around there, which is 65 cm. Cm also can, inches also can. Now this one is a bit difficult. Back waist, turn around, is from the back of the neck here, up to the back waist here. But you have to press the tape so that it follows the curve of your body until down here. I have to say like a little bit lower than the waist, around here. 13.5. Okay, crotch. Crotch start from where you stopped just now, the back waist. Go through, okay, go through here and turn around. Wait, sorry. Turn around. Okay. And then up till the belly button. Up till the belly button. So see, hands up. From here down to the front, up till here. The belly button. Okay, so my reading is 20.5. Tiana is 8 years old. What else? Girth. Okay, girth is just extra. You go through and here, shoulder. There, see where the tip goes from here. Okay, down here, down here, and to the back. Okay, sometimes when you measure, you're gonna have this gap, right? Just press it against the curve of the back so that we get correct measurements. So press. Stand straight. Just press the tape, following her back, and then see what's the reading after that. 43.5. So that's the girth. The girth is usually not necessary, but just an extra. Okay, so but the important thing is back waist and crotch for me. Alright, that's about it. I hope you guys will understand that.
Bye.
Bye.